Mixitup is the brains behind everything on my stream. It controls my streaming software, monitors chat, and even sends signals to VStage, which is the 3D streaming room you see right now. Let's start things by installing Mixitup and introducing you to how Mixitup works. Let's start by making sure we are logged into Twitch, YouTube, or Kick. Next, open up another tab for Mixitup.bot. Click download and it will auto-scroll you down to the download links. Click the one that is called Installer. Just launch the installer and it will start the install process. Before clicking on New Profile, note that there is a random supporter at the bottom of the window. Look at them and say out loud, "Thank you, supporter," and then click on New Profile. It will then tell you about helpful communities to help you with Mixitup. I have found some good people inside the Discord. It will then prompt you with a selection of which streaming service you wish to be logged into. Either Twitch, YouTube, or Kick. You only have to be logged into one account at the moment to start working with Mixitup. You should end up with a window like this. Note that my color theme might be different than yours. As long as Mixitup is running on your computer and your account is connected, it will be active in the chat that you have selected. You can check this by going to the chat window through Mixitup. If you're not already on the chat menu, then go up to the hamburger menu in the upper left. Click on Chat. This window will show you all the chat across all active platforms. Here on the chat window, there is a dashboard button that will bring you an extra window that can change the layout of how you want to see chat. Quick commands and alerts. There should be some pre-made commands already active here. In the type field, put in !8ball to see if things are working. If you get a reply back from the magic 8-ball, then currently everything is working. Next, let's make sure you can display things from Mixitup to your streaming software. Go to the gear in the upper right-hand corner and go to Overlays. The default should already be active. Go ahead and copy the link from the default overlay. Go to your streaming software and add a web source. I will be working with OBS. Set it up for the same size as your own stream. Mine is 1920 by 1080. And add in the link that is inside your clipboard. Once the source is created, make sure that with your software you're going to be able to hear anything through it. On OBS, I do not have it set to automatically monitor any audio coming out of a new created source. I have to go in and make sure that both monitor and output is selected. Make sure of this with your own streaming software. I have made many mistakes thinking that the software is not working, when in fact it is, but I'm not able to hear it through the monitoring system. Let's now create a command that tests that Mixitup is working through your streaming software. Go to the hamburger menu in the upper left and go to Commands. This will show a pre-made list of commands available like 8-ball. Find the button at the top that says Custom Commands. We will populate this with all the actions we want to create. Click on New Command at the bottom of the screen. From this window, we will make a simple sound command. We will worry about all the other options available to commands for now and just focus on the important part of creating a new command. At the top is the name and only what you will see through Mixitup. The chat trigger is what is needed inside of chat in order for the command to play. Type in whatever you want the trigger to be. I'm going to put in the word test. By default, the auto-include exclamation point is on. This means that the trigger needs an exclamation point in front of it to work, kind of like exclamation point 8-ball. So this command is now exclamation point test. Wildcard means that the trigger can appear anywhere in the message, such as, "Are you going to take the test today?" and the trigger will go off. Let's add an action. Click on the drop-down menu and select Sound. Hit the plus button and add this action to the command. Select the file you want to be playing in this command by clicking on the Browse button and selecting where your sound is located on your computer. As long as the right file is selected and the audio output is the same as the output you put into your streaming program, the default overlay we added earlier to it, it should play in the software when you press any of the play buttons. If the sound comes through the streaming program, go ahead and click the Save button. Now your command will be accessible through chat. Test it out. Finally, let's take a look at the Accounts section in the hamburger menu again. Go to Accounts. Here you can add accounts or change accounts to whatever you need them to be. If you have or create a second account, you can use that as your bot account. In the chat window, you can either type into chat using your own account or the bot account. As well as, if you have any commands that bring up text into chat, you can either have it come from your own account or through the bot account's name. That is the bare bones of Mixitup. If you would like me to do more tutorials about Mixitup and some of the crazy commands I have made in it, let me know and I'll create some more tutorials. Take care!